Definition of word formation. Hammer 1. Word formation is the study of the creation of new words and the principle involved in their formation. According to Yule, word formation is the basic study, the process to create new words. According to the Black, notes that the study of word formation can be defined as the study of how new complex words are built based on other words or morphemes. Therefore, word formation is related to the process of how existing words are built and how new words are created.
Derivation. Derivation is one of the ways to create new word by using an affix. In the derivation, a word that is added an affix can change in the meaning of the word category. For example, the word treat combined with the suffix mean it becomes treatment. The affix mean has changed the word category from a verb treat into a noun treatment. 2. Compounding. Compounding is one of the ways to create new words by combining two or more words. For example, bluebird, spoonfeed, and nationwide. Three. Inflation. Inflation is one of the ways to create the word by adding the affixes to a word without changing the word class and meaning. Usually, inflation is most often found through affixation. For example, the word book combined with s, it becomes books. And the word books does not change the word category. However, it shows a plural marker. 4. Internal change. Internal change is one of the ways to replace one morpheme segment with another to mark grammatical contrast. For example, the word sang comes from sing, the substitute for the vowel e to e. The word feed comes from food by substituting the vowel u and e. 5. Suppletion. Suppletion is one of the ways to create word by replacing morpheme with complete different morpheme to indicate a grammatical contrast. For example, the as of went as the past tense of the verb go and was and were as the past tense for of be. Number 6. Reduplication. Reduplication is one of the ways to create word by marking a grammatical or semantic contrast and repeating all or part of the applicable basis. For example, Russell dazzle, 90 gritty, and chill to children. 7. Cliticization. Clitics are morphemes that behave like words in their meaning and function but cannot stand alone as independent forms for phonological reasons. These elements must be attached to other words because they do not form syllables. For example, M for I am studying now, S for is Nurul's going to the campus, and R for are their her now. Conversion. Conversion is one of the ways to create new words by putting an exciting word into a new syntax category. Sometimes conversion is called zero derivation because of change in the category and meanings. For example, a verb derived from the noun butter, the bread, noun derived from verb an important cow. Clipping. Clipping is one of the ways to create new word by shortening the word polysyllabic and removing one or more syllable. For example, prof for professor, peace for psychology, dog for doctor, burger for hamburger. Blending. Blending is one of the ways to create word from non-morpheme part by combining two exciting items. Usually it takes the first part of one word and the last part of another word, then combines the two words. For example, froyo from frozen yogurt, Wi-Fi from wireless and hi-fi. Koinek. Koinek is one of the ways to create word. It is common process as in terms of product names. For example, the word Kleenex for facial tissue, the word Google for internet research.